ZENfra. User risk management. See the unseen, mitigate the risks. Are you tired of feeling blindsided by insider threats and data breaches? Introducing ZENfra User Risk Management, a powerful AI-driven solution that empowers you to proactively identify, prioritize, and remediate user security risks. The threat landscape. Hidden risks. Traditional methods struggle to uncover suspicious user activity, leaving your organization vulnerable. Compliance challenges. Keeping up with data privacy regulations is complex and time-consuming. Insider threats. Disgruntled employees or compromised accounts can cause significant damage. ZENfra, your user risk guardian. Unmask the unseen. Gain complete visibility into user behavior across all systems and applications. AI-powered prioritization. Focus on the most critical risks first, maximizing your security team's efficiency. Automated remediation. Streamline risk mitigation with automated workflows and recommendations. See it in action. User activity analysis. Identify suspicious login attempts, unusual data access patterns, and potential insider threats. Least privilege enforcement. Ensure users only have the access they need. Continuous monitoring. Never miss a beat with continuous monitoring and alerts. Compliance made easy. Simplify compliance reporting. Generate detailed reports to demonstrate adherence to data privacy regulations. Stay ahead of the curve. Be prepared for upcoming regulatory changes with proactive risk assessments. The ZENfra Advantage. Peace of mind. Gain confidence knowing your organization is protected from user-based security threats. Reduce costs. Minimize the risk of data breaches and associated financial losses. Improved productivity. Empower your security team to focus on strategic initiatives. Don't wait for a security incident to happen. Take control of your user risk today with ZENfra. Visit our website or call for a free consultation and see how ZENfra can help you achieve a watertight security posture.